Well, one trapezium Conrod engine working under air. My latest creation. Some lovely motion on it, quite hypnotic. I really like that. I'm quite satisfied with it. I'm putting plenty of air, plenty of oil, especially on this crosshead, to run her in, and all the other bits and pieces of course. But that's not bad. I should have tested it really before I started putting the decorative bits on, but I got carried away. I've still got a few more to do. But that's nice, and it's a nice chuff from the exhaust here. Also running slow. She will go faster of course. But that's far too fast. Doesn't look right at all. That's about right. Oh yes, I got a nice chuff out of that. Let's see if I can turn it round. See it from all directions. There we go. And there goes my noisy compressor. I really will have to get a quieter compressor. Well, I keep buying bits of my lathe and God knows what, so it'll have to wait for the pennies to come in a bit. Well, there's my trapezium Conrod engine. And my finger. But I think that's a lovely movement in that engine. I'm very pleased with it. But as usual, the next one will be under steam, hopefully. Alright, thank you for watching. Why does that compressor always have to do that? But there she is, chopping away to herself. I'm never very sure if I should call this a trapezium engine, a table engine, cathedral engine, I don't know. But there she is, chopping away nicely. Right, thank you everybody for watching once again. My trapezium engine. I love watching that move. It's hypnotic. And there she is, after an hour's running in. Running slow and quite smooth. Very pleased with that.